Welcome to Writat.com. Today we are excited to share with you some tips and tricks on how to promote your self-published book. Self-publishing has become more and more popular in recent years, and it's a great way to get your book out there. However, it can be challenging to get your book noticed among the millions of other books available. In this video, I will be sharing some practical and effective ways to promote your self-published book and get it into the hands of your target audience. Social media marketing. Social media is a powerful tool for promoting your book. You can use platforms like Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram to share updates about your book, post pictures and videos, and connect with potential readers. You can also create a book page or group on Facebook and invite your friends and followers to join. This will help you build a community of readers who are interested in your book. Blogging. Blogging is another great way to promote your book. You can create a blog and share updates, excerpts, and behind-the-scenes information about your book. This will give potential readers a taste of what your book is all about and will help them decide if they want to read it. You can also reach out to other bloggers and ask them to review your book or feature it on their blog. Book launch parties. Hosting a book launch party is a great way to get people excited about your book. You can invite friends, family, and potential readers to your launch party and give them a sneak peek of your book. You can also sell copies of your book at the party and use the event as an opportunity to connect with potential readers and build relationships. Amazon marketing. Amazon is one of the largest online bookstores, so it's important to have your book listed on the site. You can use Amazon's marketing tools to promote your book and make it more visible to potential readers. You can also use Amazon's KDP Select program to offer your book for free for a limited time, which will help increase visibility and attract more readers. Book reviews. Book reviews are a great way to get your book noticed. You can reach out to book bloggers and reviewers and ask them to review your book. This will help you get your book in front of more potential readers and will also help you build credibility as an author. Promoting your self-published book can be challenging, but with the right strategies, you can get your book in the hands of your target audience. Remember to use social media, blogging, book launch parties, Amazon marketing, and book reviews to promote your book and connect with potential readers. And most importantly, don't give up. Keep pushing and promoting your book, and you will see the results. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more great content.